Hi guys, my name is Dearbhla and I've been on the Workaway program with BE Hospitality. So I'm going to be starting a little kind of mini series on here, just talking about my experience, how I found it moving abroad, how I found it working in country clubs, and what to expect before you embark on this journey. So I was lucky enough to be able to work in both Florida and New York on my time in America, and now I'm back home in Ireland and I am studying digital marketing and e-commerce. So you may be thinking that's a far cry from hospitality, and that's because there's many reasons that you might want to embark on this program. You may already be studying or working in hospitality, or maybe you just have a passion for hospitality, and what better way to gain experience and to hone your skill and test your knowledge than to work at a 5-star resort in America. Or like me, maybe you just wanted to get out of your comfort zone and see the world and gain new skills. But whatever your reason, BE will be there for you every step of the way. So we're going to help you guys from application stage straight through to police clearance, getting your visa, getting accommodation, and your employment. So applications are going to be open soon, very soon. So I would advise you guys all to follow along our socials. And if you have any questions, I personally will be here answering them every step of the way. Feel free to leave them on any of our socials or even down below. And yeah, I'm so excited about this journey and to be here with you guys. So thank you. Bye.